Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to delete an item on Monster Hunter now. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. Deleting unwanted items from Monster Hunter Now is a straightforward process. Simply open the Monster Hunter Now application and make sure that you're inside the game. Now, simply tap on the profile picture of yourself located at the bottom left corner. From the options displayed on the screen, tap on Item Box. You will be able to see the materials in the item box. If you want to delete a certain material, simply go ahead and tap on the trash can icon at the top right corner. Now, simply go ahead and tap on the minus button for the item you would like to delete and tap on OK. In the pop-up, tap on Confirm in order to delete an item from your Monster Hunter Now account. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.